Ever found yourself wondering, how do I update my ELLIPAL? If you have, you're definitely not alone. It's a question we get asked a lot, and for good reason. Keeping your hardware wallet's firmware up to date is absolutely crucial for the security of your crypto assets and to ensure you have access to the latest features and coin support. Think of it like updating the operating system on your phone or computer. You wouldn't just ignore those security patches and new functionalities, right? The same principle applies, perhaps even more so, to a device that holds your digital wealth. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, new threats emerge, and new coins and tokens are constantly being added to the ecosystem. Firmware updates on your ELLIPAL are designed to address these evolving landscapes. They patch potential vulnerabilities, enhance existing security protocols, and often introduce support for new cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio further, all within the secure confines of your cold storage device. Skipping updates could mean missing out on crucial security enhancements, potentially leaving your funds exposed to new attack vectors, or simply not being able to manage your desired assets on your device. So, it's not just about staying current, it's about staying secure and staying capable. Today, we're going to walk through the entire process of updating your ELLIPAL, step by step, making it as clear and straightforward as possible. This isn't some super technical, jargon-filled tutorial. We're going to break it down into easily digestible chunks, so whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting your journey, you'll feel confident updating your device. The first thing you'll need is your ELLIPAL cold wallet, of course. Make sure it's sufficiently charged. Next, you'll need a microSD card. This is important because the ELLIPAL is an air-gapped device, meaning it never directly connects to the internet. All updates are transferred via this microSD card, maintaining that crucial layer of security. You'll also need a computer with an internet connection to download the update file onto your microSD card. Now, let's talk about the actual update process. The very first step is to visit the official ELLIPAL website. Be extremely careful here. Always double-check the URL to ensure you're on the legitimate site to avoid any phishing attempts. Once on the site, navigate to the Download or Support section, and specifically look for Firmware Updates. You'll see a list of available firmware versions. It's vital to download the latest version that corresponds to your specific ELLIPAL model. They usually have clear labels, so just make sure you select the correct one. Once you've downloaded the firmware file, it will likely be a compressed file, like a .zip or .rar. You'll need to extract its contents. Inside, you'll find the actual firmware file, which usually has a .bin extension. This is the file you'll copy directly onto your microSD card. Ensure there are no other files on the microSD card from previous updates or unrelated data. A clean card is best to prevent any conflicts during the update process. With the .bin file on your microSD card, it's time to transfer it to your ELLIPAL. Insert the microSD card into the designated slot on your ELLIPAL cold wallet. Power on your ELLIPAL. Now, depending on your ELLIPAL model and the current firmware, the device might automatically detect the update file and prompt you to begin the update. If not, you'll need to manually navigate to the Settings menu on your ELLIPAL, then find About, and then Upgrade or Firmware Update. Confirm the update, and the ELLIPAL will start the process. It's crucial to let the update complete without interruption. Do not power off your ELLIPAL or remove the microSD card during this time. The process usually takes a few minutes. Once it's finished, your ELLIPAL will likely restart. After it reboots, you can go back into the About section in Settings to verify that the firmware has been successfully updated to the latest version. And that's it. Your ELLIPAL is now running the latest and most secure firmware. Remember, staying updated is a fundamental part of responsible cryptocurrency management. It protects your assets, unlocks new functionalities, and ensures your ELLIPAL remains a cutting-edge tool in your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.